It's the fall time, and what better dish to make than a cozy, delicious soup? To make this creamy chicken mushroom soup, start by melting some butter in a pot. Then dump a pound of sliced mushrooms in there, sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper, and cook this on medium-high heat for about 10 to 15 minutes until the liquid has dried up. Set the mushrooms to the side and season some chicken breasts to your liking. I have all of the ingredients that I used in the description box. In the same pot, drizzle some olive oil in there until it gets hot and sear the chicken on both sides and then set it to the side. Add some more butter to the pot and then cook the onions, carrots, and celery for 10 minutes. While that's cooking, dice up the chicken, and it's okay if it's not cooked all the way through because it's going to finish cooking with the soup. When the veggies are almost done cooking, add some garlic and cook it until it becomes fragrant, and then go ahead and add the chicken back into the pot and let it cook for a minute or two. Then add your diced potatoes or rice. You can season it with some salt, garlic, rosemary, thyme, and red pepper flakes. Then give it all a good stir and add the mushrooms back into the pot. Add 6 cups of broth in there, stir it one more time, and once it reaches a boil, let it cook for 30 minutes covered. After 30 minutes, turn off the heat and add 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Stir it for about 5 minutes until it's all melted and season it with a little bit of seasoned salt to your liking. This soup is so rich and delicious, and it just tastes better as the days go on. It's giving max fall vibes, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thanks for watching.